gentlemen, it's a good day for flag review. The Angolan flag, arguably Africa's best flag, in my opinion. This flag, this is a good one. I'm not going to give some long speech at the opening of the video. We're going to get right into it. Because this flag is a thumbs up for me. I love it so much. The first thing I'm sure everybody sees, a machete. I know what you're thinking. The machete symbolizes the genocide of those we hate, the destruction of our enemies. Ah! That is not what it means. Agriculture. I know it's a little bit less cool than, the slaying of those who we hate and the destruction of our enemies and the genocide of those who we want to be rooted out of our great nation. No, it means agriculture. Now, I know what a lot of you are also thinking. Sickles would make more sense than a machete. Not necessarily. In Africa, I see a lot. A machete is a highly valuable tool, not just for killing, but for clearing out jungle and agriculture. A sickle can cut through wheat. A machete can do that exact same thing. And then you have a giant gear, which represents industry, as we all know. So you have agriculture and industry under the yellow star of unity. Where have we seen that? Soviet Union. I think this is a lesser version of the Soviet flag, but it still holds up. I like it. I think it's good. Angola at one point was a communist country. Now, I don't know why they kept the same flag. They could, change it up a bit because, they're not communists anymore. They might still have some socialist policies. I'm not sure of the Angolan political system. I just know that they are not doing so hot right now. They are eating each other's children. There's a lot of disease in Angola. It's one of the worst places to live. It's kind of unfortunate, but at the same time, hype flag. Really nice flag, Angola. For those of you who don't know where Angola is, it is in southern Africa on the west coast. It's above Namibia, but below the Congo. I'm sure if it was on a map, you would recognize it. Namibia. That's a hard word. Not going to be looking forward to that flag. That flag is But this one, you have your industry, your agriculture under the unity of the star, and you have this anarcho-communist almost color scheme. I assume that the red means what it means for all of the African countries. The blood of those who died for the country. The blood of those who fought and died for our freedom. Or in this case, the unity. They had a big civil war, huge civil war. I assume that has something to do with it. The black, no idea. The black could honestly mean anything. It means anarchy, usually, but probably not in this case. Angola gets a 10. Solid 10. This is the first 10 we've ever had on flag review. There probably will not be a lot more of these. It's very hard for your flag to be a 10. This is a good one. Up next, I believe, is a Caribbean island. I don't know which one. Antigua and what? Antigua and something is up next. I don't know what that flag actually looks like off of the top of my head. I'm sure I've seen it, but next week, huge episode. Definitely watch. It's gonna be big. All right. Thank you for watching Flag Review.